Look, I'm standing right here. Have mercy on me.
And remember, we have to be out of the park by 7.
All right. Yeah.
So those smooching till
All right, then where's the sand pepper? We have a table?
Table. And
Which is? Could we have it over here?
Put it on the other side of
And then
you.
we'll ask the men to all take 3 steps back. And you guys okay. After, listen up, men. After the kiss.
Trying to focus after that one.
Don't worry, you'll notice. After the kiss, I want all the men to take 3 big steps back. Yeah? And then...
I'm just trying to...
Hey, you know what? He'd do better without you, Paul.
No.
It was distracting.
All right, and then come back.